bekas politik, siasat politik saya okey. Dia bangkitkan kena ada kes, dia siasat. Dia hari ini dia bagi tahu saya kata saya setuju, saya terima, immediate dia letak jawatan. Okey, then SPRM siasat. Oh, dia pegawai Perdana Menteri, tak boleh siasat. Siapa kata tak boleh siasat? Ini Perdana Menteri bukan macam Perdana Menteri dulu. Bila siasat, lari pergi Dubai. Tahu tak siapa lari pergi Dubai? Ya, kita siasat lah. Must be transparent, must be professional. And you see, saya akan buktikan. Orang boleh cakap apa pun. Why? Wishmo? Sebab kita mau kerajaan ini ada integriti. And no one is above the law. Kalau betul dia siasat, do I know the details? I don't know. Do I approve? If it is true, I don't approve. Do I want the SPRM to investigate professionally? Yes. Transparently? Yes. Independently? Yes. Kalau ada case, should they prosecute? That's their decision. If they think they should prosecute, go ahead. If the court decides to free, Alhamdulillah. If the court decides to punish, convict, so be it. That is how we lead this country. Janganlah banding saya dengan mereka. So please, bagi saya no issue. Tapi saya nak tanya orang ini, yang bilion-bilion kamu diam, now cakap soal integrity. What integrity you talking about? People squander billions of ringgit from this country, you are completely silent. Be consistent. It can be Anwar's staff, it can be a former Minister of Finance, it can be a Tan Sri, I don't care. You curi duit, you mesti disiasat, mesti ditangkap. Kalau salah, masuk penjara.